Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm going to be changing light bulbs on this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for joining me. I've got this Grand Cherokee here. It's my stepson's. It has a passenger side light bulb out. We're going to go ahead and change both of these. It's pretty easy once you know how to do this here, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So let's get started. So I am starting on the driver's side. Once I get that done, we'll do the passenger side, and this just needs to turn until the tabs are right there, and then it just pulls out. There we go. Alright, so with that out, it's just up inside here. And I don't know if you can see that or not. Right up in here. And you just twist this out. And there's the bulb. It does not want to pull out very far, but you can see the clip on there, and just need to pull that out, and I can put the new bulb in its place. Just need to use a screwdriver to pry that tab up, and then this will pull off. And so there's the old bulb. This one is not the one that's burnt out, it's the one on the other side, but we're replacing the pair. So I've got the new one, and again that just clips in there and then goes up, and you can probably see a little bit, and you can see where it goes there. You just put it in and twist it, right? Alright, so that twisted right back in there. So now we'll go ahead and put that cover on, and then do the passenger side. Okay. And it's going to be the same process on the passenger side. Alright, I might be able to get a better shot of this, so. And then it just goes up inside here, and you twist it in to the opening. Alright, you probably can't see much of anything up in there, but it is back in the spot. Not the easiest to do, but as long as your arm can fit through the hole. It is kind of a tight fit, but I'll just go ahead and put this cover back on. And you can see that both headlights are working. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.